Do you want to know how to exchange crypto on Binance? Well, it's just really easy and I will teach you how to do that. So in order to do this, what we can do is we can head over right here onto our homepage and here you can see on the middle bottom the trade option. Click onto this trade and then for this one you have the option to buy or deposit. So for this one, just head over and click onto this deposit option and let's choose in here USDT. Now just choose in here the network that you want to use. And then for this one, we have in here the deposit address. So for this one, we're actually knowing how to buy or exchange the actual amount that we have. So just save your current address and share it. Now from there, let's just head over and click on this trade. Just click on this buy option and then just choose in here this. Enter in here the amount and click onto this payment method. You can enter in here the amount that you want to pay as well. Now, if you want to trade your own crypto, you can head over to your portfolio and then you can trade for these options you have right here.